One of the great things about Windows 11 is that if you have a digital license tied to your Microsoft account, you can create a virtual machine using Hyper-V Manager. And I do that for testing. And we used to have an on-premise Active Directory service, and now we're using Azure Active Directory. So using your Microsoft account for these computers. I registered the new PC with my Microsoft account, and then I ran into this problem. So when I go to connect to the virtual machine, you'll see that the login window never comes up. So it just shows me this default wallpaper, and I can't get into Windows. I'm a little frustrated. When I first set up the machine, I went through the install of Windows and connected it to my Microsoft account so then I could download that digital license and use the same license from the same physical desktop PC. That's the way you want to do it, right? The problem is I can't log in. So I figured out that if you go to View and you uncheck the enhanced session, then you can log right in. In fact, it's logged in already. I'd already logged in. But the enhanced session doesn't work. I did some searching on Microsoft Docs. There's really not much about it, but the instructions are to go to Settings. I'm going to go to Settings. And then you actually want to look under Accounts. It's a problem with your Microsoft account and a problem with the sign-in options. So I use Microsoft Hello on my laptop and my desktop. So I either use a PIN code or a camera. So you need to go to sign-in options. And then right here, under additional settings, the default setting for Windows 11 when you go through setup is to only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. So once you turn that to off, then you'll go to Start and Reboot, just because I think it's something that runs in front of the actual login mechanism. So wait just a few seconds for it to do updates. And now it's going to reboot. This is a super fast machine. There we go. So now I'm at the nice login screen, and I can go to View, Enhanced Session, and that will allow you to run it at a much higher resolution. And now I can log in. What's funny about this is I forget what my Azure AD password is because I always use Windows Hello to sign in or PIN. But once you've got your correct password, you can log back in. And now I'm in an enhanced session and I can log in and actually see the desktop. I hope that helps somebody.